yo, the stage is unreal. Hey, yo, Taino, for your protractor and your geography lesson, that's 383 First Avenue, Taino.
Hey, Enforcer, what's the definition of Ohm's Law? Are you checking it out on your computer? Let me know.
Hey, if he ain't got you 314, we got you in the Brooklyn video gate. Good morning time to you. 206 314, ringing your bell.
No, I'm waiting for the answer. What's Ohm's Law, man? I'm waiting. You know, I don't want to be out here teaching these fucking guys, and then when they go out there, they get out the classroom, they're gonna do all the opposite of what you teach these guys, man.
Hey, yo, 6. He ain't coming back no more, dog. He ain't coming back no more. It's a wrap this morning for him, dog.
It ain't no rap, and I told him, hey, top of the morning, Mortician, I hear you waving, brother. It ain't no rapping, man. And I was being very honest with him. I do have a couple of 2 pills. I want to know how he does to get 300-pound carrier. First he said he's doing 150, and he could crank it up to 300-pound carrier. I want to see how he does, because I want to do the same thing, and he told me, don't worry about it, because you're not going to be able to do it in the Mobile. I said, don't worry about the Mobile. Even if I have to bolt the 2 pill to 24 volts, I just want to see how he does it. And then he said he's doing it at 21 volts.
Well, you know the model over there. Build them with reflected swirls. Build them with reflect, and then re-reflect what it is. Tell them you got lots of reflex. Well,
I ain't telling them anything. It's just another lie. A lie yesterday, a lie today. Yesterday was 2 lies. Today's another lie.
Stop. Hey, 6, enough with nothing. If you've been counting for the last 2 days, you can forget about it. I got about 18 months of him, dude. I got about 18 months of his lies. Do you have any idea how many that is in a day?
That cup of Java is taking way too long, Enforcer. Explain to me what's Ohm's Law.
No, even if he reads it to you from the fucking handbook, he still ain't gonna be able to spit it out right without stuttering, sputtering, bubbling, or pausing a lie a little bit.
Yeah, Roger, man. Roger, well, I'll be on the side, man. I'll be ready. I'll be here waiting for another video that's not going to make the fucking YouTube page, but it's okay. I know why those videos are not making it to the page. I don't know.
Well, I think I'll just give him a little bit of truth and justice for his, Truth and justice is New York City's all behind me because I never smoke your crack, or snort your coke, or do your double. That's why all of New York's behind me, dog.
Hey, Richie, I say that when someone smokes a lot of weed like you do, there's a very, very good chance you end up leading to heroin and harder drugs, man. It's a fact. It's a fact, Jack. Get yourself in a 12-step program.
Hey, Richie. You, any town USA, any town winding up in my town or what?
Yeah, that fucker's gonna need a miracle.
Well, you're doing about 3 months.
Yeah, I'm on in time there, so what's going on?
Bit of a squeal. I know I'm squealing. I got some radio turned on.
Oh, yeah, definitely. I gotta give him a shout him in a while.
Be careful till we fix all the wires, man. Yeah. I want to know what my Richie made 3,300. I ain't finna tell no lies. You tell me, man. Nah, don't tell him I did it. Tell him that guy up in Columbia did it. What's his name? Crazy Eddie. Back that early on a Thursday morning. God damn it, boy. They shooting. Doc, that bitch got a gun. That's what I'm talking about. Audio to this. Audio. Damn it, boy. Woke up. I lost about 2 volt lines. Damn, that hospital just woke up. Son of a bitch.
Hey, Richie, tell my friend Mortician to raise up his carrier a little bit. He's all over the place here, man.
What did I miss out here? What did I miss? I had to get my cup of java. What did I miss out here? They're still telling lies, these two boys? The antenna's going right to the back of the reef. What did I miss out here? Someone tell me, fill me in, update me. What did I miss?
Yeah, he's swinging like 379, 379. It might be a little bit too low, man. Tell him to raise it up a little bit. Keep it steady.
Roger, yeah, he's got a lot of swing in that radio. He got that new Connex 33. Okay, now I hear Crackhead 127. Now I hear Cracky. All right, I got it. Yogi is rolling. You can't miss anything in New York City unless we want you to. I hear Cracky now. Now I hear him. He was getting covered up before, but I hear the junkie now. What are you all, guys? They call me the enforcer. I hear the junkie now. Okay, he's back.
I'm enforcer.
I'm the enforcer.
No, you're not. I'm the enforcer. I'm the only one with a 5-pound dildo here, 21 volts. I put 21 volts. It's my input on my 5-pound dildo, 21 volts. And my RPMs go to 300 with 21 volts. I got down.
Holy cow. I'd like to put a 200-pound dildo on my ass. Hey, Taino, that's you.
Right there, man. 200 volts. That's the input. That's the input on my 5-pound dildo. They call me enforcer. No truth and no justice. It's all a bunch of lies. 200 volts is all it takes to run my 5-pound dildo. With 200 volts of input on my 5-pound dildo, I get about 300 RPMs. And I'm back out.
Run it efficiently, low drive it, under drive it, and let that baby just swing like Tarzan in the jungle. They call me Enforcer 250, my 2-pill Dave made, my 200-pound steel hammer that I just got down. You gotta put up equipment, man. I told them they could walk with everything. Yo, man, nobody in a year. Just tell Richie, tell that crackhead when I on key. Tell him I said spank the baby. Tell Richard, take his meds when he on keys. Let him know the enforcer said take his meds. I still hold that to date. That law. Oh, I'm sorry. He wasn't out here back then. You don't know anything about that. You're gonna get fucking through for pulling us over. We don't even hit the fucking scale. Pulling us over up there. Someone tell Richie I said spank the baby. Hey, Mortician, I ain't gonna lie, dude. I ain't gonna lie. For almost a year. I challenge anybody to bring a 2-pill that thinks it's gonna do more than this 2-pill on this camera right here. Audio, hey, yo, Mortician, I got the video. Well, I'm running a 2-pill, and I guess I took his challenge and I defeated him. Because I'm using a 2-pill right now and I'm crushing that junkie, so let him know. My 2-pill Dave made is crushing his Ameritron AL80B, which is good for a KW. I'm crushing his KW with my little 2-pill Dave made. Dead keen about 150.
Audio drive.
Alright, I'm gonna go back quiet.
I don't know, man. I don't know. I think he's talking to you, Richie. I think he's talking to you, man.
In his videos, well, let him know. I met the challenge and I defeated him. Just let him know. 250. Dave May, 2-pill high drive, 2879 Toshiba's Red Con. I just got down. Oh, you know.
There's a difference between him and you, Enforcer. He put his 2-pill on a video. You never showed us that video. What happened to the 2-pill video, man?
2-pill video. It got shut down in the intro. Remember that?
What? You say YouTube took him out because he couldn't show pills. He couldn't show those pills that he does over there. Is that why is that what you say? He couldn't put it on YouTube because it was illegal content.
I don't know what he's talking to. He goes talking to himself and laughing at his sorrow.
He said, hey Richie, he said that his 2-pill defeated your 2-pill, but you were brave enough to put your 2-pill on the video, but this cat, we're still waiting. It's 2 months later and we haven't seen no 2-pill video.
Richie, give it up, man. It's just a little baby 2-pill Dave made. Dave made. You gotta love it, man. I'm not running no big amp here. It was a little 2-pill Dave made and I'm destroying you and I just got down. We left once again, George.
Put it on the video, Enforcer. I want to see it. Put it on the video. I'm being very honest. I want to see 300-pound carrier out of that 2-pill. 2879. Put it on the video.
Other questions will be answered on this week's radio. Just let Richie know what's